This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Burger King chocolate thick shake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of good quality vanilla ice cream, 1/4 cup of whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Make sure your ice cream is slightly softened, not rock hard, as this will help it blend smoothly. Also, have a tall glass ready for your finished shake. Now it's time to blend everything together. Carefully add the softened vanilla ice cream, the 1/4 cup of milk, and the 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup into your blender. Begin blending on a low setting to break down the ice cream, then slowly increase the speed to high. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and has a thick, uniform consistency, free of any ice cream lumps. The key to a perfect thick shake is consistency. If your shake is too thick to pour, add a tablespoon of milk at a time and blend briefly until it reaches your desired texture. Conversely, if you prefer an even thicker shake, simply add another scoop of vanilla ice cream and blend again. Once it's just right, pour your delicious chocolate thick shake into your tall glass and enjoy it right away. Your homemade chocolate thick shake is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with a wide straw to fully appreciate its rich, creamy texture. For an extra special treat, you can top it with whipped cream, a drizzle of extra chocolate syrup, or even some chocolate shavings. It's a fantastic dessert or a refreshing treat anytime. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.